Before I started work on this lesson, I went to the Jakarta website and downloaded the latest version of the tag libs. I can't tell you exactly what links to use and exactly how to go about doing that because they have a new version almost every day. I just grabbed the latest one. They all come with documentation. You'll find a doc directory filled with HTML files, and you'll find the traditional README file. In the standard subdirectory, there is a README file about the standard tags. It says a lot of things, but it has some interesting information about the tag lib declaration that goes at the top of your JSP files. I'll just skip most of this. You'll need to read it, though, if you intend on using these newer tags. Here you see the tag lib lines that you put at the top of your page for each set of standard tags. I'll be showing you these as we go along. Also notice that it has the instructions for you to place the two jar files in the lib directory of your war file. If you have everything else set up to produce war files with ANT, that's all you need to do. And I've done that on this system, so now I can use all these latest tags. Most of the basic standard tags deal with parameters and conditionals. A web page can act differently according to the parameters passed to it. I'll be showing you how to do that, but first let me show you how to pass parameters from a JSP page. You use the redirection tag and add parameters to it. Notice the new tag lib at the top. This example redirects to a servlet. The data show servlet has a do-get method with a loop that outputs all the parameters to its page. This example uses the param tag inside the redirect tag to send parameters along with the redirection command, and it's as simple as that. Here's how it works. Here you see the parameter names and values that were passed to the servlet. You can also pass parameters from a JSP page to another JSP page. You can also pass parameters from a JSP page to another JSP page, and you can use the tags to work with them there. Here is a JSP page that passes parameters. Here you see a JSP page with a new tag lib form at the top of the page. Instead of the local TLD file, it refers to the name on the internet. Now this page never actually displays. It begins with the redirect tag and redirects the display to the showparms.jsp. This time the redirect tag has 3 parameters defined to go to this JSP file. Here again you see the new tag lib form. The implicit param object is a list. It contains a java.util.map entry object for each of the parameters. Each one contains a single parameter. Now this loop will execute once for each parameter in the list, and on each execution the pin variable is one of the map entry objects holding a parameter. All of this is done in the expansion language syntax, which is simpler than Java, but it does hide some of what's going on. Here a call is made to the getKey method of the map entry object, the pin object, to return the name of the key of the parameter. And here a call is made to getValue. The result is that one line will be displayed for each parameter, displaying the key and the value of each one. And here's how it works. Notice the order they show up in. They don't come back in any particular order. The entry object uses hashing to store things, so that randomizes the order.